Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have a hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Now, as you know, the Samsung Galaxy Tab series are arguably the best and most advanced Android tablets on the market. And now the Tab S10 Ultra is in fact out. It is also available for order, and I will drop the links down below. But we do have some improvements on the new Tab S10 Ultra over the S9 Ultra, and I do want to go over that in this video, so let's dive in. Now, the very first thing I want to talk about is the brand new anti-reflective display that is designed to reduce glare and increase visibility. This is the same groundbreaking feature found on the S24 Ultra, now available on the Tab S10 Ultra, which wasn't available on the Tab S9 Ultra. Now, one thing I do want to mention is the display size is exactly the same as before. It is a 14.6-inch display. It is the same exact resolution, same exact AMOLED display, but with the added anti-reflection properties. So it is a better display, and of course, it is 120 Hz. But visually, design-wise, and dimension-wise, this is the identical twin of the S9 Ultra. Now, another thing you're going to notice is the keyboard cover case now has a built-in AI button that you can customize. I can press it to launch Gemini in this case, as you can see. So here's a demo. And look at this. I'm going to tap on the button, and now it is launching Gemini because that is the option that I chose. So the new keyboard cover case, otherwise, is the same as before, but now we have that brand new AI button. As an example, here's the old keyboard, and then here's the new keyboard with that brand new AI button right over there, okay? Now you can customize that AI button. You go to the keyboard settings and you tap on customize keys, and at the bottom you've got the AI key. You can see I can choose Gemini, Bixby, or none, and that's what we have for now. But one more thing that's very important to know is because the dimensions of the Tab S10 Ultra are exactly the same as the Tab S9 Ultra, you can use a keyboard case that works with the Tab S9 Ultra on the Tab S10 Ultra. So if you upgrade from S9 to S10, you don't have to buy a brand new keyboard case cover. The only thing is the new case cover has that AI button, which to me is not a huge deal. And of course, the S Pen comes free with the Tab S10 series, and it works just as good as before. You can take notes, do sketches, whatever you want. And of course, you can magnetically attach the S Pen to the chassis and charge it wirelessly as before. And of course, if you buy the keyboard cover case, it can also be hidden behind the case, as you can see. Now, another new thing we have is the processor upgrade. It's a rather surprising change. We now have a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor instead of a Snapdragon processor that most people were expecting. So this processor, despite not being Snapdragon, is just as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that you find on the S24 Ultra. It is also certainly faster than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that you find on the Tab S9 Ultra. So Samsung says performance upgrades include an 18% increase in CPU, a 28% increase in GPU, and 14% increase in NPU, which is the neural processing unit for AI, compared to the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. There's also a superior heat dissipation system and a larger vapor chamber inside for sustained gaming performance, aka sustained performance under load. So there is going to be a definitive improvement in overall performance on this tablet compared to the last generation. All of Samsung's latest Galaxy AI feature portfolio is available on the Galaxy S10 series as well, including brilliant features like sketch to image, which can turn your doodles into pieces of art, or a whole bunch of note assist features that can auto format, summarize, and even generate text content for you with the magic of AI. And because of the faster performance and stronger NPU, you will get faster AI performance. Now, as far as the front and the rear cameras are concerned, it is going to be the same as the Tab S9 Ultra from last year. These cameras already are pretty good for a tablet, and that's what they're keeping this year as well. Now, Samsung also told me that they improved the build quality. The Tab S10 uses 10% more durable armor aluminum compared to the last time. Not a huge difference, but it's there. Now, as for pricing, the pricing is basically the same. The Tab S10 Ultra starts at $1,200 for the 256GB model. The links will be down below. Now, if you are trading in your old S8 Ultra, you do get a $750 discount. So then the S10 Ultra is only $450. And if you trade in the Tab S9 Ultra, you get $800 trade-in discount, which brings the price of the S10 Ultra to $400. So again, those links are going to be down below, but these are the initial impressions and the first look. We are going to be doing a full review, unboxing, and all that stuff. Stay tuned. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.